Okay, now I'd like to show you how to use the help. On our main page, the home page, you can always find the help on the top main menu bar. You just click on help and the screen comes up, as you can see. You can also find it once you logged in, which is obviously helpful when you're dealing with something you need help on. On any of the logged in pages, this is my home page here, look to the top and you'll see the help menu. And if I click on it, it'll obviously take me straight to it. Now, I'll go down to the keyword box and say I want to type something about NAPSA. NAPSA. Immediately, you'll see the options come up to do with NAPSA. I want to look up something more about NAPSA eye care, so I click on that and then click search, and there's my help. Then I want to go back to where I was. I can literally just click the home page here and it will take me back to where I was logged in on the home page. The help is also found at the bottom here, help and support, along with the training videos as well, the YouTube training videos. Those links are also found near the help.